In this video, you will find out how to properly perform system cleaning of your WMF 950S. To keep your machine clean and hygienic, a system cleaning must be carried out after 250 cups have passed through or after 7 days at the latest. To ensure that you are informed early on and can schedule cleaning as needed, a cleaning request is shown on the display after 200 beverages or after 6 days at the latest. To do this, select System Cleaning under the Care menu item. The machine will now ask you whether you want to switch it off after cleaning. You can choose between two options. If you press yes, the machine will switch off automatically after cleaning. If, on the other hand, you select no, the machine will restart after cleaning is finished. It is then again ready to operate. Next, please remove the drip tray and empty the grounds box. Both can then be reinserted. Now confirm that you have emptied the grounds box by pressing yes. If the grounds box has not been emptied, please press no. This prevents the counter from being reset prematurely. However, we recommend that you take the opportunity to empty the grounds box. Fill the water tank and confirm by pressing OK. Next, remove the manual insert lid. Now you can put the WMF cleaning tablet into the manual insert chute. Close the chute again by putting on the lid and confirm again by pressing OK. At this point, we would like to remind you to take the combi spout apart at least once a week and then soak the parts in contact with milk in cleaning solution. This should only be done when the machine is switched off. It is similar with the water tank, which must be removed and thoroughly cleaned at least once a week. Press OK to confirm that you have read the information displayed. The cleaning will be restarted. If you selected switch off after cleaning at the beginning, the machine will switch off automatically after successful cleaning. Otherwise, a restart is carried out and the WMF 950S is fully operational again.